You may be wondering, why is sugar so addictive? Sugar is considered addictive because it triggers the release of dopamine in the brain, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward, essentially lighting up the brain's reward center, making us crave more sugar after consuming it. Similar to how addictive drugs and alcohol work, this effect is amplified by the rapid spike and subsequent drop in blood sugar levels caused by sugar intake, leading to a cycle of cravings and seeking out more sugary foods. Here are some key points about sugar addiction. Dopamine release. When you eat sugar, your brain releases dopamine, creating a feeling of pleasure and encouraging you to repeat the behavior. Your brain reward system. The brain pathways activated by sugar are similar to those activated by addictive drugs, impacting the limbic system, which controls emotions and reward seeking. Blood sugar fluctuations. A rapid rise and fall in blood sugar levels after consuming sugar can lead to cravings for more sugar to regain that high feeling. And palatability. The sweetness of sugar makes it highly palatable, further encouraging consumption. Research on rats has found that sugar is more addictive, get that, more addictive than opioid drugs such as cocaine, and that there can be withdrawal symptoms such as depression and behavioral problems when people try cutting out sugar completely. Yes, sugar, specifically glucose, a type of sugar, is considered the preferred energy source for the brain. It heavily relies on glucose to function properly, meaning the brain primarily uses sugar for energy. Being that it is a simple sugar, it is fast and absorbed quickly through the blood brain barrier, thus giving that high very quickly. The brain is highly dependent on a steady supply of glucose to function optimally. Low sugar affects low blood sugar levels and can lead to cognitive impairment, difficulty concentrating, and even seizures in extreme cases. You may sometimes suffer what we call brain fog. That can be a symptom of a low blood sugar. So please, steer away from the processed sugar. Look for sugar in its natural sources, like in fruits, and use other things like xylitol or stevia as a means of sweetening that doesn't cause the same response nor wind up being more addictive than cocaine.